Hey Beavs, and welcome back to StyledByBeaver 101. Today's video is going to be a Mother's Day gift box. I know it's super late, but I figured it's still pretty relevant because it doesn't have to be just for Mother's Day. It could be a friend's gift box or just something you want to give to your family. In this time where we're really far apart, I know it's really difficult and we're not able to spend as much time with our loved ones, but I figured what a great way to show them that you're still thinking of them by sending them really nice gift boxes. So majority of the stuff I got are from the dollar store or Walmart. So I picked up these really nice boxes and I stuffed it with tissue, and now I'm adding these cute like fern leaves. They're like fake fern leaves. And my theme for the gift boxes was tropical, since God only knows when we're gonna get to travel again. So I got these cute pink flowers and I'm putting them in the corners of the box. I only put 3 just to kind of give it dimension. I also added some, you can't tell because it's completely out of frame, but it's some Grace pineapple pop. It's this Jamaican drink, and I wrapped it in bubble wrap so that it doesn't break in travel. I also got these cute little summer glasses so you can drink the pop out of it as well. I feel like this is something I would have loved to get as a mother, or even just a friend, especially as a first-time mom. I know it's very difficult for moms right now, especially with being a first-time mom is stressful, but being a first-time mom in a pandemic, I can only imagine what everybody's going through, and I really feel it for you guys, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves and your babies. We're gonna get through this. So I made sure to wrap the glass. I also got a nice cute tropical looking mug, and I'm going to wrap that as well. So now I'm also adding a packet of salted caramel hot chocolate. I was gonna do coffee, but because some people might be breastfeeding, I wanted to opt out from using coffee, and I used hot chocolate instead, and I figured it was nice. That was a cool flavor. So I added that, and now I'm going to add in this really nice Lindor chocolate bar. Just a cute little bar. I love Lindor. Why not add some chocolate? I also added this cute loofah, because moms need to pamper and take care of themselves. And I also added this soap. It's Dial soap. I don't remember the scent, to be honest. I added a Dial soap, and I also added some Cetaphil lotion. It's legit like a care package, you guys. And last but not least, because I said I'm sending this to moms, I decided to add baby clothes. So I tried to make sure the baby clothes match the baby's age, and I just folded that up and tucked that in there. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It's pretty full, not overly heavy, but it works. And I'm just gonna put the lid on and show you the other box. I made 2, show you what the other box looks like. So this one, different color, all the same products, except the baby clothes is different because it's for a different person. So I know I'm really late with this video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. Like I said, it doesn't just have to be for Mother's Day. Father's Day is coming up. You can do something similar, or just send your friends and family a care package. I know they'd really enjoy it. Anyways, thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.